Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video I want to share with you how you can make $100 per hour online. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, User International. User International is a website that pays research participants to take part in different studies that will improve technology or products. The website is pretty straightforward. The main thing that you need to focus on is the participant portal. The participant portal is where you can sign up to participate in studies that interest you and get paid for your feedback. So you can use this portal to browse through different studies and apply to multiple studies. Each study specifies requirements. You will get a lot of studies that require you to only use your phone. Some studies don't even specify the gadgets, and if they don't, usually it means you can use anything including a phone. You can earn up to $350, but such studies can be long as 2 hours. No preparation needed because you'll be asked about stuff you already know. They just want your opinion. Please note that every time you log in, they will send you a code to your number. These are recommended studies based on my profile, but you can also change your study preferences by clicking on this. Consumer, as they say, everyone qualifies for this category because we are all consumers of some sort. If you're a gamer, you can also click on this, traveling, etc. To show those of you who are not familiar with these kinds of websites, let's quickly have a look at this study. As you can see here, they're looking for people who consume news daily, and they'll be paying $95 to $166. This is a schedule for this study. Every study will have a schedule, and you can pick hours or days you'll be available to join. This particular website was brought to me by someone who's a member of this community who got paid, and I also went ahead, researched and tested it too. So thanks girl for sharing this amazing website with us so I could share with others. By the way guys, if you find sites that I haven't spoken about, do share with me so I can share with the community. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2, discounts. This is an app that pays you to do missions. You can be asked questions about anything. It can be grocery shopping, the phone you use, life experiences, career related questions, or even age related questions. You don't need any degree or experience unless of course you are choosing a career related study. Obviously they expect you to be in that career or know something about that career, but generally you don't need any experience or degree. On discounts, the first thing you need to do is to create a profile. It's important to finish your profile because researchers do check before deciding on inviting you. It tells them more about you, and the great thing is you don't have to think about what to put there. They already have questions ready for you to answer. But a profile alone is not enough. You also have to apply for each and every mission you are interested in. Once you've created a profile, you'll find missions under Explore. As you can see here, these are the missions available for me, but they get updated frequently. I might find 3 more if I come back in 10 minutes or 30 minutes or even tomorrow. Click the mission you're interested in. You can read what it's about and decide if it's suitable for you. It's important to know that you can't go back, so please read each question carefully, then answer. Depending on the answers you are giving, you may or may not qualify for the mission. For some missions, you will know right away if you didn't qualify because it kicks you out the moment you answer a question and it's not what they're looking for or what they want. Some missions you'll go till the end but never hear back from them, meaning even though you qualified, they were better candidates or they reached the number of people they are looking for. When you are done with the qualification test, you'll see this message. If you don't hear back from them within a day or 2, don't panic. These tests are reviewed manually, so they may take a couple of days or even weeks. Hence, you shouldn't wait for one study or for one mission. If you are selected, you'll get an invitation in the app, but discounts will also notify you via email. Qualifying for these missions is not easy sometimes, so I have some tips for you. Number 1, stick to the topics you know you can talk about, because researchers will see right through you. Even if you accidentally qualify for a study that you don't know much about, and I know this because it once happened to me. I don't really play games that much. I do play games here and there, but not that much. And this one time I saw this mission that was paying $238, and I thought to myself, come on, it's just games. I mean, I'm sure I can figure it out, like it's just games. I decided to apply for this mission, and there was this one question that asked me to tick all the games that I've played before. Like there was a list. Half the games there, I had never seen them before. But I decided to tick most of them because I wasn't sure which one they were looking for. Unsurprisingly, I did not get in. Out of curiosity, I decided to research these games because I'm that person. When I don't succeed in something, I like to get to the root so that I don't repeat the same mistake next time. Like I've always been like that. Even in school, I used to be that person who'd be bothered by the marks I didn't get. Anyways, as I was researching these games, I found that 2 of the games that I ticked were not games. So they tricked me. I thought the list consisted of only games, but no. So I think the moment I ticked what was not like a game, immediately the researcher knew this person doesn't know what they're talking about. That's why I'm saying stick to the topics you know you can talk about. If you choose things you know, you can answer more truthfully and more in depth. So don't get too excited when you go to your explore page and you see all these missions and suddenly you are just applying to everything. And also bear in mind that no matter how good you are or no matter how much you apply, you won't get qualified for every mission that you apply to. So take it easy and only apply to things you think you have a better chance to qualify for. Because if you apply to everything and then get rejected, that may affect your confidence, because now you're gonna start thinking that maybe this discount thing or this making money online thing is not for me. But no, you are applying to every mission you see. Even if you know nothing about the topic, of course you're gonna get rejected. Sometimes you will even get rejected when you know about the topic. If a mission requires you to record a short video at some point during the qualification test, try to record in a quiet background, wipe your camera, and try to look more presentable. Of course, you don't have to be like serious, but don't be recording in your gown or PJs just because maybe you're watching this video at night. No, try to look more presentable even though this is just a qualification test. Follow instructions carefully. If they ask you to take a picture with an open fridge and you take a picture next to the fridge, of course you will get disqualified. Discount pays within 10 business working days after each mission, and they pay via PayPal, direct bank transfers, and checks. Number 3, market research. Market researchers collect and study information about customers, sales, trends, products, and services to develop future marketing plans. But this is just a general definition, which may make you feel like maybe you need a degree to do this job. But no, you can do it at a small scale, working with other small businesses or even creators. A few weeks ago, I had an idea of finding a researcher slash script writer to help me produce content much faster since I'm swamped with work outside YouTube. I thought to myself, I want to make their job easier because I understand that my kind of research or my kind of content is different. Plus, I'm the only one who actually knows all the companies I've spoken about, unless of course you also watch like all my videos. But like I know each and every company I've already spoken about. But if I ask someone else to do the research, they may find me companies I've already covered, you know. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do the research, I'm gonna find the companies, but your job will be to go in depth with the research because that's what I do with the companies that I recommend. So I sent like, I think it was like 5 companies to this person, like a freelancer that I found on Upwork. They did the job, I got the script, and as I was reading the script, great, I was impressed. Me being me, because you already know, some of you already know, I like to double check things. Something said to me, let me just copy like one line from the script and paste it on Google just to check, and I did. Guess what, guys? This person literally for each and every company that I gave her, first of all, they used only one article for each company, and that alone is a red flag, because what if the person who wrote that article is wrong? When you do research, you never use one article. You have to use multiple articles, videos if you have to, but you need to use different sources before you can talk about something, or before you can like write a summary about something. That was like the first red flag. Secondly, this person literally I don't know if they didn't know that I check my stuff. They literally plagiarized other people's work word for word. Plagiarizing someone's work is a crime. I was really disappointed. I went back to her and I'd already paid her, but I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna ask her to redo the work because clearly they don't know how to do market research. They don't know how to do research. If you're taking someone's work word for word and you're only using one article, that's not research. Of course, I went back to doing my own research, but I am sharing this story to show you that there is a market for market researchers. You can find jobs on Upwork, you can find jobs on Jooble, or you can even create an account on Fiverr as a market researcher. When you go to a website like Jooble or similar sites, you can find market research jobs and you can apply directly, or you can just do freelance work. In fact, I recommend doing more freelance work because you can work with different people or different creators. Depending on the topic, you can make $100 per hour just from one topic or from one job, or you may have to do multiple jobs or multiple topics per hour to make that much amount. And this is only possible if you're working as a freelancer. Number 4, text-based tutoring on Course Hero. On Course Hero, you can make up to $1,500 per month. Unlike many sites where you have to record an introduction video, Course Hero is a text-based teaching platform, meaning you can use your computer or your phone, because students post questions, you solve them, and you post back, or you answer in real time. The nice thing about this website, you can choose up to 20 subjects. They do not require you to have a degree, but you are required to prove that you know the subject you want to teach. This can be like your high school leaving certificate or matric certificate, or latest transcript if you are currently enrolled in a university. As you can see here, they specified you just need a computer and internet, not all you required, but you can actually use your phone if you don't have a computer. These are the 4 application steps. I urge you to apply as soon as you see this video, because as more people watch the video, Course Hero may be receiving quite a number of applications, ultimately taking longer to get back to you. These are all the subjects you can teach. Some will require you to upload only your high school certificate or transcript, but some you have to do the test consisting of 10 questions for 30 minutes, and you have to get at least 70% to be eligible to teach that particular subject. The nice thing is you will know immediately if you pass the test or not. If you have any questions regarding this website, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. See you in my next upload.